I'm going to see something weird. The cicadas are leaving the ground. Okay, let me see. There's one, but there's a ton of them. And now, if you look at the tree, you can just see them all crawling up the tree. How insane. Some of them have already escaped. There's one. Let's see. Oh, did it already escape too? Oh, there it is. There's one that's about to escape. You can see it there breaking out of its skin. Here's two that are crawling all over each other. I'm not even sure what's happening. Here's another one that started escaping. This is nuts. Oh my god. Oh, and they're all falling down from the tree like rain. A couple of them have already fallen on me. South Carolina. God dang.